In construction, a simple unanswered request can stop an entire project. BuildFlow centralizes every material request, equipment request, approval, escalation, and operational concern into one accountable workflow. So nothing gets lost, ownership is always clear, and project blockers are resolved faster. Request management replaces verbal instructions, messenger threads, paper forms, and random chats with one accountable workflow. So every request is tracked, assigned, approved, acted on, and fully auditable. Let me show you how requests move through the system and how project blockers are surfaced immediately. This is the Request Management Center where every operational request is tracked from submission to final resolution. Right at the top, we have the Request Operations Brief where BuildFlow summarizes overdue requests, pending assignments, escalations, items needing confirmation, and requests already blocking project execution. We have a new request button on the right. Any authorized user can create a new request and immediately place it into the correct workflow. The management views, this section here are the views under the management. So first we have the dashboard. Starting with the dashboard, this gives you a real-time operational view of the requests that currently need attention. Next is the flow map, which shows how each request moves between people, departments, approvals, and fulfillment. Then we have the SLA or the Service Level Agreement Analytics, which measures how quickly requests are being acted on and where delays are starting to occur. Different operational needs are organized into standardized request workflows. Under request types, different operational needs are organized into standardized request workflows. Next is escalations, where requests that have exceeded their expected response or resolution time are surfaced for attention. Then we have delegation and limits, which helps keep requests moving when the usual approver or decision maker is unavailable. And under routing, BuildFlow automatically directs each request to the right person or department. Now, there are scope filters under the dashboard. So here we have the needs, my action. This view shows only the requests that are currently waiting specifically for me. Then the next is my requests, where users can track everything they personally submitted. In this case, these are my requests. Then we have My Department, which gives managers visibility into requests affecting their own team. Next, we have the Department Inbox, which centralizes all requests currently assigned to a specific department. So you can select which department you would like to see. Then we have the All Departments. The All Departments gives authorized leaders visibility into request activity across the entire organization. So we have the request flow from request to execution, and then the audit trail. We have the request types here. So for the Today at a Glance section, this gives you one quick view of everything that needs attention right now, from requests waiting for your action, approval, assignment, escalation, or final confirmation, to project blocking issues that need to be resolved before they cause delays. Next is project blocking requests, where BuildFlow brings urgent requests that are already preventing site work or project execution from moving forward. So you can see the different project blocking requests at different scopes. Next is we have here the request queue section. The request queue gives you a complete view of the request pipeline, from drafts and pending approvals to requests in progress, completed, rejected, or canceled. So every request remains visible and traceable from start to finish. Currently, this is all the requests that is awaiting for the user's actions. In this case, the user is Maria Santos. And Maria Santos is the operations manager for the Davao location. And below again, we have the recent activity audit trail. So instead of requests getting lost in chats, verbal instructions, or spreadsheets, BuildFlow gives every request a clear owner status, next action, and complete audit trail from submission to completion. BuildFlow is designed for construction companies that want to grow without losing control, replacing fragmented spreadsheets and disconnected processes with one traceable operating system for stronger project control and management visibility. The goal of BuildFlow is not simply to digitize existing processes. It is to give management a clearer, faster, and more accountable way to run the entire construction business.